The money plant is a widely favored indoor plant appreciated for both its aesthetic appeal and numerous benefits. With its heart-shaped, vibrant green leaves that can cascade or climb, it adds a touch of natural beauty to any space. Money plants are effective air purifiers, capable of removing toxins such as formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene from indoor air. This makes them excellent additions to homes and offices, contributing to better air quality. They are incredibly easy to care for, requiring minimal attention and thriving in various light conditions, from low to moderate indirect light. They are also forgiving if watered irregularly. Aloe vera, a succulent plant known for its medicinal properties, is highly valued for both its aesthetic appeal and numerous health benefits. It is known for soothing skin irritations, burns, cuts, and minor abrasions. The gel is also used in various skincare products due to its moisturizing and anti-inflammatory effects. Aloe vera juice is consumed orally as a digestive tonic. It is known to support digestion, alleviate symptoms of acid reflux, and promote gut health due to its laxative and anti-inflammatory properties. The antioxidants present in aloe vera help combat free radicals in the body, thereby supporting the immune system and reducing. The spider plant is a popular indoor plant valued for its ornamental beauty and numerous benefits, making it a favorite among plant enthusiasts. Spider plants are known for their air purifying qualities. They effectively remove toxins such as formaldehyde, xylene, and carbon monoxide from the air, thereby improving indoor air quality. This makes them ideal for homes and offices, especially in urban environments with limited ventilation. Spider plants are easy to grow and maintain, making them suitable for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. They thrive in indirect sunlight and can adapt to various environmental conditions, including average room temperatures and humidity levels. With their arching leaves and attractive variegation, commonly green with white stripes, spider plants add a touch of natural beauty to indoor spaces. They are often used as hanging plants or placed on shelves. The bamboo palm is a popular indoor plant prized for its graceful appearance and numerous benefits. Bamboo palms naturally release moisture into the air through a process called transpiration. This helps increase humidity levels in indoor spaces, which is beneficial for maintaining optimal air quality and preventing dryness, particularly in heated or air-conditioned environments. Bamboo palms are non-toxic to pets and humans, making them safe to grow in households with animals or young children. This eliminates concerns about accidental ingestion or contact-related allergies. Like many indoor plants, bamboo palms have been shown to contribute to a calming and stress-reducing atmosphere. Their presence indoors can promote relaxation, reduce anxiety levels, and create a more tranquil living or working environment. Bamboo palms are excellent air purifiers, known for removing airborne toxins such as formaldehyde, benzene, and carbon monoxide. This makes them ideal for improving indoor air quality. Jasmine is renowned for its sweet and intoxicating fragrance, which intensifies during the evening hours. The aroma not only adds a pleasant ambience, but also has therapeutic properties, known to reduce stress and promote relaxation. With its clusters of small, star-shaped flowers in white or yellow hues, jasmine plants add a touch of elegance and charm to gardens, balconies, and indoor settings. The lush, dark green foliage provides a striking contrast to the flowers, enhancing their visual appeal. Beyond its ornamental value, jasmine has been traditionally used in various medicinal practices. Jasmine tea, made from dried jasmine flowers, is believed to have calming effects, aid digestion, and even act as an aphrodisiac in some cultures.